KAMLE River's
Rolling
View.
down the asphalt wall, neon signs, they make me smile. Diesel dreams in the afternoon, metal beats singing heavy tunes. Pedal down to the city glow, rusty wheels that spin so slow. Night fades in with stars so bright, guided by those highway lights. Pedal down to the city glow, rusty wheels that spin so slow. Night fades in with stars so bright, guided by those highway lights. Truck simulator, ultimate modding, keeping miles in my own way. Life on the road never fades to gray. In my mind I found my place to play. Scenery changes in the blink, coffee thoughts I start to think. Fields and rivers zip on by, endless roads that kiss the sky. Static hum and roaring beast, never-ending highway feast. Concrete melodies keep me sane, in my rig I reign supreme. Boundless skies and empty trails, freedom sings through rusty rails. Wind whispers into my ear, chasing dreams without any fear. Rolling down the asphalt wall, neon signs, they make me smile. Diesel dreams in the afternoon, metal beats singing heavy tunes.